Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the theme of the My Calendar period tracker application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the themes button down below on the left or right side of the screen next to the settings button. After that, you should select the theme of the application. Here you can select from a bunch of categories: flowers, seasons, cute and abstract. As you can see, they are all free except some of the themes that are indicated with this premium title. So if you tap on it, you can unlock it by tapping on the unlock button, and you should watch this ad first of all and tap on the X button to close the ad, and then you will be able to unlock the new look after watching the video. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.